Hey, hello everyone. My name is Freddy Farmill and today I'll be drawing Yungblud. I really like the guy, I like his music, I like his personality, I like his looks, so yeah, that's why I wanted to draw him. I'm gonna be using two different reference photos. This one, because I really like his facial expression, and this one, because I really like his hair color and his clothing style in this one. I'm not gonna draw the exact sweater he's wearing in this picture, but something similar. Yeah, so let's do this!
Our heads up high and both feet on the ground, in control. We'll meet again, it's not the end. I guess we'll be alright. Go with me, I can show you all the places we can go, where we want to. If we'll take a chance, we'll make show you all the places we can go, where we want to. Go with me, I can show you all the places we can go, where we want to. If we'll take a chance, we'll make it. Play the cards that us we're playing. We can go, where we want to.
Alright, so here we are, but this time with the finished drawing. Yungblud, if you could come over here. Alright, 34 mil. I'm really fucking excited. Maybe I should leave the impressions with the other YouTube channels, but this is the finished drawing. I really like how it turned out, actually. To be honest, there was a point in time when I was drawing this picture where I really felt like giving up. Like it just looked so bad in my opinion, and everything I tried to do to make it look better just didn't really work, and I almost gave up. I almost just started a new drawing, but I decided not to give up and just keep adding layers and keep adding layers and keep adding layers until it looked good. And I'm really glad I did, because if I would have given up, it would have just sucked, you know. So you know, that just goes to show that you shouldn't give up too easily, too quickly. You know, if things don't seem to work out, you just gotta keep going until it works out. It really feels a lot better, and that goes for drawing, but maybe in other aspects of life as well. So yeah, I'm really happy I didn't give up. That's the bottom line here. Well, first of all, I want to thank the band of today, The Overslept. Really great band. I love them. They're from the Netherlands, just as I am. So if you like the music, I'll leave some links to their Spotify and Facebook down below in the description. So you should check them out. Alright, next I would like to thank Yungblud or Dom. Is it okay to call you Dom? So if you are watching this, Yungblud or Dom, thank you for the music, thank you for just being who you are. I think you help a lot of people with what you are doing, so keep it up. And if you are watching this, please let me know one way or another, even if it's just a comment or something. That would make my day. No, it would make my year. So yeah. And last but not least, I want to thank all of you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video really soon. Bye bye. Boy man!